Hi everyone, it's Genene. Let's practice a Vinyasa flow to increase energy and strength and reduce fatigue and stress. Let's take a wide stance. Now, turn the left foot in by lifting the ball of the left foot, turn it in slightly. Lift the ball of the right foot, turn it out 90 degrees. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Gaze at your right middle finger. We're going to do a moving Virabhadrasana 2. So exhale, bend the right knee, 90 degrees. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. And inhale, straighten. Great. Now exhale, bend warrior 2, moving on. Modified side angle, right forearm to right thigh. And then sweep the arm around in big circles, left arm circles. Inhale up. Exhale, sweep it around. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then other way. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Great. Inhale, come up. Straighten from here down to Trikonasana and back up. So breathing in. And then exhale, right hand down, left hand up, keeping the hips open. Inhale, come up. Exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, and inhale. Exhale, lower the arms down, keep them up if you want it to be harder. And now we're going to add all those things together. Virabhadrasana 2, Parsvakonasana, Trikonasana, and then we're going back the other way around. You'll see. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, this time Utthita Parsvakonasana, hand to the block on the outside. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, straighten to Trikonasana. Inhale, bend the knee, and come all the way up. Exhale, lower the arms down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And then exhale, bend, warrior 2. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, right hand down, left hand up. This time, reach the left arm across the left ear if you can. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, Trikonasana. Inhale, exhale, back to Utthita Parsvakonasana. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, inhale, come back up into warrior 2 and straighten the leg. Exhale, lower arms down. Now, other side. Turn your right foot in. Lift the ball of the left foot, turn it out, and move your block. Then, inhale, arms out to the sides. Gaze at your left middle finger, or past it. And Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, bend 90 degrees. Inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bend the left knee, left forearm down, and sweep the arm, right arm in big circles. Inhale up, exhale round. And the other way. Have some fun with it. And then arm up to the sky. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, straighten the legs. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, just down to Trikonasana and up, right? Down, inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Gaze wherever you like. And inhale up. So again, either exhale your arms down by the sides or not. And then inhale. And we put it all together. Exhale, warrior two. Stay here on the inhale. And then exhale into Utthita Parasvakonasana, almost. Inhale. Exhale, straighten the left leg. And then inhale, come all the way up to standing. Exhale for nothing. And adding on a few more pieces. Inhale. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, Utthita Parasvakonasana, arm across the ear. Inhale to get more length. Exhale, Trikonasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Parasvakonasana. And then inhale, warrior two. And straighten the leg. Lower the arms down, turn the left foot in, and walk or jump the feet together, your choice, into Tadasana. Take a wide stance, hands to the hips. Exhale, bow. Place your hands on the mat. Turning the pelvis forward. Maybe you can bend your elbows. Maybe you can turn your hands so your fingers face away from you. Inhale. Exhale, bowing in deeper. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Hands to your hips or walk your hands up your legs to make it easier. Come up to standing. And then walk or jump your feet together. Tadasana. And you are done. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and remember to click the like button because that tells me that I'm doing a good job. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Namaste.